Good afternoon, teacher. This is my natural exposure. My name is Caroline Carvajal. I start. What is climate change? Is the consequence of unchecked when carbon emission caused by human activity enter the air. They have dangerous effects on the environment, the economy, and our well-being. This picture shows the chain. But just as humans cause it, we can halt its progress. Cause of climate change. This is caused by trapping excess carbon in Earth's atmosphere, disrupted carbon pollution in the burning of fossil fuels, such as coal and oil for energy. While carbon has entered the atmosphere for millions of years through natural events such as forests, fires, and volcanoes, the burning of fossil fuels and clearing of land has resulted in the highest levels of greenhouse pollution in our atmosphere in the last 1800,000 years. Why is our climate getting warmer? Earth's atmosphere has evolved to retain sufficient warmth from the sun to encourage a healthy, dynamic ecosystem, while shielding us from its harsher effects. The introduction of huge amounts of excess pollutants thickens this blanket of protective gases, causing heat to remain trapped within rather than harmlessly escaping skywards. This gas can remain in our atmosphere for up to go years, contributing to long-term warming. As the world warms, there are flow-on effects that can make things worse. For instance, warmer water melts polar ice caps ice tumors. Can you see? Okay, less ice means more heat, which in turn means less ice, leading to a cycle of warming from which it is hard to escape. Temperatures are already rising quickly, with the last decade being the hottest on record. What this mean for us? Australia's environment and economy are particularly vulnerable to the effects of climate change. Some of the effects are already occurring. The Magnificent Great Barrier Reef is already experiencing severe bleaching due to a 0.4 centigrade rise in water temperature each year. About 16 of our reef is subject to some bleaching. For example, Professor Ross Garnaut pointing out that we are likely to see by mid-century the effective destruction of the Great Barrier Reef. Oh, what can we do to help? The challenge, the challenge, the challenge facing us now requires courage to meet it. We need to drastically reduce the amount of pollution we create. We need to fundamentally change the ways we produce and use energy. We need to switch to clean, renewable source of energy and end our reliance on inefficient fossil fuels and wasteful energy habits. Renewable energy is available now. We need to switch to clean. In 1988 was created in the context of United Nations the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change IPCC for its acronym in English, whose function is to analyze comprehensive, objective, open and transparent the scientific technical. The role of the IPCC has been fundamental to understand the gravity and evolution that has had. In 2007, the IPCC published a report highlights that the average global temperature over the last year 1906 to 2005 increased 0.74, and that of permanent ice and snow cover has decreased globally. Okay. He also points out that 11 of the last 12 years, 1995 to 2036, are among the warmest in the instrumental record since 1815. According to this report, there is new and strong evidence that most of the warming observed over the last years is attributable to activities human. This influence of the man will continue to change the composition and the atmosphere in the 21st century and therefore the temperature of the planet. In general, it is impossible to determine clearly if that measure affects is or this cause. This picture shows us these statistics reveal change in recent years.